Class, today we will continue with the exercises of chapter 5 common name and special name. Before doing the exercises, let us have a quick revision of the chapter. So, what are common name and special names? Common name means anything we are denoting, any person or anything we are denoting commonly. We are not speaking about a specific person, but special name we are speaking about a specific person. Let us see the example like boy. Boy is an example of common name, and if we say Raman, it is an example of special name because we are denoting Raman here. So boy is a common name and Raman is a special name. So special name can be of any type. It can be a place, day, or a month, or animal, monument, or a special name of book. It can be any of these. So now come, let's do the exercise. Write about yourself. Here you have to write about yourself, your first name. Whatever your first name is, you will write your name here. Your last name. Your last name should be written here. Name of the village, town or city where you live. The place where you live, you have to write in this blank. Name of your school. Name of your school is Valley Public School, Panchit. Name of your class teacher. Name of your best friend. Your favorite book. Whichever book you like, you will write over here. Your favorite television show, your favorite restaurant, your favorite food. So you fill the blanks according to you. Now let us come to number B. Arrange the naming words given below in correct column. Remember to begin all the special name with capital letter. See, first is table. Table is a common name. Here no specific table is talked about. So table is a common name. Naresh. Naresh is a special name. It is a name of a person. Diwali. It is a special name. It is a special name of a festival. Chhota Bhim. It is a special name of cartoon. Yamuna. Yamuna is a special name of river. Agra. Agra is a special name of place. Book. It is a common name. Strawberry. It is a special name. It is a name of a fruit. City. It is a common name because no specific city is being described here. Iran. Iran is a special name. Fruit. Fruit is a common name. Chocolate. It is a common name. No specific chocolate is described. Man. Man is a common name. Mumbai. Mumbai is a special name. It is a name of a specific city. School. School is a common name. Thomas. Thomas is a special name as it is a name of a specific person. Now let us come to number C. Write special names for these things which any three letter of your choice. Follow the given example. You have to write special names according to the given columns. The first column is about the letter, second is girl, third is boy, fourth is country, fifth is city, and sixth is character of the from the book or television. You have to write according to the letter. First is given example of D. The name of girl is Deepika, boy is Dilip, country is Denmark, city is Dehradun, character from the book or television is Dora. So according to this we have taken three letters S, N and B. S. Girl's name Sweta, boy Susant, country Sri Lanka, city Srinagar, character Sinchan. N. Girl Neha, boy Nisant, country New Zealand, city Nainital, character Noddy. So last letter is B. Girl name is Babita, boy Vinod, country Bangladesh, city Bangalore, and character Bob the Builder. So students, today we have completed the chapter. So your homework is to go through the chapter. In our next video we will start the second chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.